Hello friends, this is Veronica and you know what time it is. It's cafecito time. So welcome to my channel. I hope you have subscribed. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go hit the little subscribe button, join our cafecito time, and yeah, we'll have fun. We talk about coffee, coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, everything from the wonderful world of coffee, because if you're a coffee lover like I am, then you're gonna love this channel. So welcome everyone, whether you're new or whether you're been watching my channel for a while. Thank you everybody for all your support. Thank you for all the love, the thumbs up, the comments. It's been really good. I took a little bit of a break again. Okay, so basically I just want to do a quick little update. The reason I didn't upload last week was because I had ordered from Nespresso the new Reviving Origins coffees that were released, and I ordered them online like I usually do. I do have a boutique, not super far away, but right now my car situation is no bueno. So anyways, I order online and I usually get it within a day or two, pretty quick. So anyways, I ordered online. I received my order. Great. I was excited. I got this box. I actually ordered a lot. I ordered a lot of coffee. So when this box arrived at my door, I was like, oh, that's kind of a small box. So I didn't open it till the following day, actually. You know, I was getting ready to record. I opened my box and this is what I got. So I was like, wait a minute, that does not seem like my complete order. Sure enough, I pulled out my invoice and there was missing boxes, missing capsules. So I got all the virtual, which I will go over. I got all the virtual Reviving Origins coffees and my freebie. They had a promo for a free sleeve of Nespessso Roma coffee if you ordered, I don't know, like 5-6 sleeves of original. Anyway, so this is what I got. And I was like, yeah, I'm missing coffees. So I called Nespresso. And I said, yeah, there's like a problem with my order. I'm missing some coffee. So I went over it with the customer service rep. I said, hey, you know, I'm calling. I got my order. There's some missing. I didn't get all of the original Reviving Origins. And I said original Reviving Origins capsules. And we even went over the names. And she was really super nice, helpful. Oh, I'm sorry, no problem. We'll put in the order. You know, you'll be getting it. I got the confirmation on my email, but I didn't click on it to look. And that's where the problem was. I should have looked at my email more carefully because 2 days later, I got actually a day after I called, I got my order. And again, I didn't think anything about it. And then I was going to do the video again and I opened it up and guess what I got? Let me show you what I got. I got another set of virtual Reviving Origins coffee. Yeah, the rep made a mistake and sent me the virtual ones, which I had already received. So I was still missing the original Reviving Origins capsules. And I kind of felt bad. I felt bad because I had to call Nespresso again. So I called him again and I was like, hey, thanks for my coffee, but I still don't have the capsules that I ordered, paid for, and have been expecting. So anyways, I spoke to another rep and he kind of laughed about it and says, oh, I'm so sorry, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, you know what? I want to try both of them. I have both machines. Maybe the first rep thought I only had the virtual machine. I don't know. But anyways, finally yesterday, guess what came in? So when I saw this box, I was like, okay, this looks like the right size. This looks like what I'm supposed to get. So I've been waiting. It's been a whole week waiting to get all the capsules so I can make these review videos for you guys. I know some other YouTubers have already made the videos, which is great. I've seen them myself. Let me put these over here. So we finally have the correct or we finally have the original capsules. Let me get rid of this. So now I have the complete set of Reviving Origins capsules for Nespresso original line and the corresponding virtual Reviving Origins capsules. Ta-da! So that's been my little ordeal. So my tip to you is, one, when you get your order, open it up right away. I don't always open up my boxes right away, especially with all the, virus stuff going around. I'm very extra cautious. So I kind of, wipe them down, wait a day or so. But anyways, regardless, check your box right away, check your order. And if you do have a problem, just give them a call. My experience with Nespresso has been, they've been super, super accommodating. This is not the first time this has happened where I am missing capsules for my order, boxes for my order. And when I got the second set of virtual capsules, I was like, not my fault. I'm sorry. You want me to return them? And they're not gonna ask you for the capsules back. Basically, the rep was kind of funny. The second rep I called, he's like, think of it as a early Christmas, early birthday gift from Nespresso, getting the free capsules, the second order they sent me. So yeah, that was my ordeal. So I finally have them. I'm going to do a review for you guys. And I debated doing just reviewing the virtual, which I could have done, but I know a lot of people have both machines or interested in reviews of both capsules. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to review both capsules for virtual, for original line, because I've noticed in the past not all the new coffee releases have both. Some of them do. Some of them have virtual and original, and some of them don't. And I know everyone wants to know the differences between the virtual and the original. So yeah, so that's what's been going on with me. How about you guys? Let me know. Let me know how your summer's going so far. Mine's been going good, except with the little, little issue with the shipping, but we have it all resolved now. So I'm happy, and I have tried some of these already, so which was kind of good, because sometimes when you try them for the first time on camera, when I'm doing the video, I'm like, so now it's giving me time to try them and kind of have a better idea and better review of what I think about them. So that's it. That's what's going on today. This is just kind of like a little haul video, letting you know what happened with my Nespresso. And if you ever have issues, call them. Don't be afraid to call them. I have heard some people say that their experiences weren't that great, but you know what, if that happens, call back, because it always depends on the rep. Sometimes you get a good rep, sometimes you get not such a great rep, but you can contact them online. Some people have also done the chat via Facebook or Instagram maybe, or Twitter. I'm not sure, but I just call. I give them a call, and they've usually been helpful. I call and say, oh, I'm sorry, this happened. I try to be as nice as possible. I don't call with attitude. I don't call demanding, like, hello, I paid, or where's my capsules? You guys messed up. No, And then the rep has no control what happens inside the warehouse. So, just be patient, just be nice, and you will get the results you want. It took me a little longer, but like I said, it paid off. Their mistake paid off for me because now I have some extra capsules. So yeah, that's what's going on. I'm going to be reviewing all 4 of them. And for those that don't know or, aren't sure, Nespresso released these new Reviving Origin organic. Oh, wait, not all of them are organic. Reviving Origins capsules. It is the Kahawa Ya Congo. Okay, my pronunciation is not that great, but the Congo Virtuo and Original. They also have the Reviving Origins Amaha Awe Uganda Virtuo and Original. They have the Reviving Origins Esperanza de Colombia Virtuo Original. And the boxes are beautiful. I really, really love the boxes. Tamuka Muzimbabwe. So Zimbabwe. So yeah, that's what you have to look forward to. So like I said, if you are enjoying these videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications so you know when the videos are going to be uploaded. As of right now, my schedule is Wednesdays and Sundays. I know I'm like totally off, but just wanted to let you guys know and update what's been going on. I'm still here. I'm still loving my Nespresso. I'm still going to be making coffees, but just wanted to give you guys a little update of what's happening with me and Nespresso. And oh, I want to do a giveaway. You guys, I want to do a giveaway for summer. I know a lot of people that love Nespresso kind of like Starbucks cups. Maybe you don't love Starbucks coffee, but you love the cups and the merchandise. So I have an extra cup of the cold color changing cup. These are really fun. I've been using it myself for my water, iced coffee for tea, and it just looks so pretty when it changes the color. So I'm going to give one of these away to one of you guys. I'm going to do a hot cup. This is from their 50th anniversary, which was in March. So I bought an extra one so you could get either the cold cup or the hot cup, but it's not just the cup. I'm going to add some capsules. So if you are an Nespresso owner and you want one of these cups, all you're going to have to do is, I'm not going to do like a whole entry thing or anything. If you want to win, you just have to comment on my videos for the next 2 weeks, and I'm going to randomly pick 2 people from any video. It could be this video, it could be the next video I make, or the other videos I make reviewing these capsules. So you're going to have to, and I'll leave it in the description as well. Make sure you read the descriptions because it's going to have a lot of information there. So you're going to have to just comment on one of my videos and just say giveaway, so I know that you want to enter the giveaway. Enter giveaway cold or giveaway hot. So if you say giveaway cold in the comments, I know you want the cold cup. And then when I select the winner, if you are an Nespresso owner, if you have original, I'll put in some original capsules in here. If you have a virtual machine, I'll put in some virtual, because I have a lot of capsules from limited editions. I still have some from the holidays. I have some pumpkin. I have different ones that I'm not drinking. So I thought, why not let you guys enjoy them? So that'll be the extra little treat. You'll get the cup and you'll get some capsules depending on what machine you have. So that's it. Enter in the comment, add giveaway hot. You'll get the hot cup. Giveaway cold. You'll get the cold cup with some capsules, and that's it. And I'll put all this information in all my other videos as well. So that's it. That's my short little video for today. Thanks guys for watching. Remember those thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me your comments, because this video is going to be part of the giveaway video. So if you comment, and like I said, it's just going to be random. You just have to add that giveaway hot, giveaway cold in your comment. And I'm going to just randomly go through the comments and pick one, and you're going to get notified. So yay, summer giveaway. Okay, that's it. We'll see you guys later. Bye.